This item includes 1x pair of headlights, driver and passenger side. Bulb model 9005 high, 9006 low beam. Plug-and-play operation, direct bolt-on OE fitment or replacement for the stock unit. Brings a different appearance to vehicle that's great for show use or replacement. Asterisk note. Please check part finder on top of the page. Instruction is not included. Professional installer is highly recommended. Requires no modification or drilling. A headlight, headlamp, is a lamp attached to the front of a vehicle to light the road ahead. Headlight performance has steadily improved throughout the automobile age, spurred by the great disparity between daytime and nighttime traffic fatalities. Headlights are one of the most important components of your vehicle. They allow you to see the road in front of you clearly during the night and in any bad weather that may arise. Our headlights upgrade the face of your vehicle with clear style and extreme range. Top reviews from the United States. Crystal clear, like glass practically. These are very awesome. Fantastic price. Purchased Oxito Light M3 9006, HB4 LED lights PK of 2 for $19.99 Honda Accord. OMG. Tons better. The headlight fixtures are better. I had a mechanic install them because the front bumper has to removed. They did a greater than FA nominal job. Awesome. I love these fixtures like no other. You swear they glass by the way they look, even though they're not. Like I said, they are awesome.